Need a battery bank that's powerful enough to charge your laptop? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the VENTION Powerhive 20000 mAh power bank. This thing is powerful enough to charge a laptop. 165 watts of power behind this thing. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to take a look at this VENTION Powerhive series 20000 mAh power bank. 165 watts. Wow, look at that. 3 devices. Very, very nice. Packaging looks fantastic. Looks very clear, informative, and it looks like it's ready to go in stores. So let's open it up. One of the first things you see in the box right here is the user manual. It's just got some specifications and some of the product overview information. Right there, it gives you some different animation examples, but very, very nice that this is included. Awesome. Huge fan of this. Look, everybody, they include this USB-C to USB-C cable. Very, very nice. Look at the threading on this. The fact that this is included is such an A+ right there. 240 watt cable. Wow. Very nice. Looks like we got a VENTION travel case right here. This is awesome. Huge fan of that. Very, very cool. This thing looks really nice. Looks good, looks sturdy. Put it in there and you're on the go. And now the power bank itself. This is what you're here for, everybody. And I gotta say, look at this right here. The actual strap is the cable. Look at that. That's awesome. Super smart. And it's got a really smart feature right here. You just kind of push up and then the cable becomes available and you can use it like that. So you do the same thing, run the cable through it, pull it down, secure it in, you're good to go. It gives you a little strap right here, which is also the power cable. Very nice. Up here on top, we got a USB-C cable and USB-A cable. Output 60 watts on the USB-A, that's awesome. And going into the USB-C port, we can hold up to 65 watts of charging and output 100 watts. That's crazy. Got our power button right here on the side. Everything looks really nice and clean. We've got our screen right here. Let's see how that looks. Ooh, look at that. A smiley face. Well, that's how we feel too. So let's go ahead and try this out. This is the VENTION Powerhive Laptop Power Bank. All-in-one universal fast charging solution. Fast charges Galaxy S25s Ultra at 45 watts, iPhone 16 Pros, iPad Pros, and 99.9% of devices under 100 watts. It even charges USB-C laptops, smartphones, and headphones at the same time. 20,000 mAh for worry-free journey. With 20,000 mAh high-performance battery, this power bank charges a MacBook Air 13 approximately 1.3 times, or an iPhone 16 up to 4 times. It's perfect for business trips, commuting, and outdoor activities. Even after 1,000 charging cycles, battery health remains over 80%, and it includes this really cool flannel storage pouch as a protective case. 165 watts max output. The USB-C ports individually deliver up to 100 watts and charge a MacBook Pro in 30 minutes. This laptop power bank offers a total power of up to 165 watts via the 2 outputs and can charge 2 laptops at the same time. Built-in cables for on-the-go use includes 2 USB-C cables. One functions as a reinforced carrying strap, rigorously tested to endure over 20,000 bends, and the other delivers 240 watts of high-speed charging for powerful, rapid power delivery anywhere. 200 checks per second, always-on protection, monitor temperatures 200 times per second, and the laptop power bank is equipped with a TFT colored display that displays detailed information such as battery level, voltage, current temperature, and charging cycles. Interactive emojis, power indicators, more than a number. This power bank displays animated emojis based on real-time status like battery level, standby, overheating, or fast charging. It adds a fun tech appeal and interaction to your charging experience. This thing is powerful. It's really nice and high quality. Great job, VENTION. This is our first time working with VENTION, and I gotta say, this thing is high quality. Super nice. The screen is very clear. It's 165 watt. We want to give a huge shout out to VENTION for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.